So in this video, I'm gonna try to make it quickly as possible. Try to show you how to make this wind spiral, which I call it as ever you want. Let's get to it. So feels good to be back. In this video, I'm gonna be using all kinds of scrap wood that I have. All this and trying to make wood spiral, wind chime, something like that. So what I'm gonna need is a threaded rod, some chain, some loop with a openable hook, some nuts, and I have no idea how to call this one, and stain. So yeah, it's gonna be for wife's friend. She asked for some while back, and I make one for her. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna begin by ripping all these scrap wood in like small planks, something like that. I'm gonna quickly show you. So yeah, let's get started with that. The original idea was to use just a push stick, but then I understood it's quite a bit too dangerous. Then I made this jig so I can push the wood through. Now I have got a bunch of these wood sticks. I don't know how it's called them. Wood sticks, yeah. And now it's time to lay them out and understand how it's all gonna look. And the small one's probably gonna go on top and the bottom. These longer ones gonna be in the middle. Now I laid them out, how they're gonna stay. I'm gonna mark for all of them the center line, so they are even. Here is no specific measurement, just the middle line. So yeah, this is gonna be the center line. And now I will need to drill a hole in every single one of them so I can put this threaded rod through it. I quickly made this jig so I can put all of these sticks in here and drill a hole right here. So all of them are evenly either straight or evenly crooked. Yeah, crooked. It's going to be something like this. It's a little bit off center, but I think I can make it work. Drilling all these holes by hand, I understand that I really badly need a drill press. If you know any good brand that would fit my needs, please comment it below. Now I did drill all the holes. Now I just need to assemble it back together, and I hope that the holes are not way too off, because I don't have a drill press, and by drilling all that by hand is and this wobbly piece of Timu garbage is not gonna do it. So yeah, now it's time to get it onto the rod. But before I do that, I need to put them as I intended them, so I know how to put them back together. Or for example, this one, straight to garbage. If anyone wants to gift me a drill press, I would be happy to take it. This one, garbage. So yeah, hopefully the big ones are gonna be okay, because I don't have any spare ones. Now it's just This is gonna take some while, so I'm just gonna adjust the phone to record in hyperlapse. You can see that I've struggled here a bit to get the wood sticks onto the rod, so I re-drilled all the holes so it fits much better. And once I did that, the fitting part of this project went super smooth and super fast. You can see I just drilled and put it onto the. It didn't struggle to go on as much as it did before. Yeah, you can see that some of them, see, they are not like evenly drilled, but once I cut it and then when I start to twist it, you will see then that you can see it will have much better result. You won't be able to see that. I was pretty sure that I turned on the camera, but okay, I didn't. Yeah, all I did is marked out this sensor here, this one here, and then I drew the line into the all the way through the sensor. Well, something like this. Now I just need to grab a jigsaw and cut everything out. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn it. I know it still looks quite weird, but I will just quickly run over with it with a sander, and it's gonna start to look much better. Quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. Well, something like this. Now I just need to drill a hole here into the center of the threaded rod. So since to drill straight into the threaded rod is gonna be nightmare, I'm gonna be using same of the bolts. No, not bolts, nuts, and just put a drill hole here. And after that, I'm gonna use that nut as a guide so I can drill into the thingy. Yeah. Now I drilled the hole into the nut. Now I'm gonna screw it where I need it. And after that, I will drill the hole, attempt to drill a hole into the thread itself. Rod, not thread. Now I just got it shorter. Around here, don't forget your glasses. It does fit. Perfect. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh. And we all got dreams. I do hope it's visible in the camera. Now I just need to loosen a little bit one of the screws. And this one, and a little bit this one, and then just simply twist all of them. Better camera angle. Finally. Now it's all what I need to do is put on this chain. Figure out where I can hook it. And for the moment, while I stain it, Okay, I didn't found the right hook because it's probably home. Yeah, now I'm just gonna simply add stain for it, and that's it, and leave it overnight to dry. Basically, it's done. I just need to wait for the coil to dry, and by today is Tuesday, and Thursday I can give it to the woman that asked for it. So, of course, I would like to hear your thoughts about it. Do you like it or not? So, voila. And as always, thanks everyone who watched this far till the end. Please like, comment something. I don't care what, just how good it looks or how awful it looks. Just something. And please subscribe. Yeah. So yeah, that's that one. And about next video, I don't know yet. I'm gonna upload some shorts so you know.